Hey everybody, here you have an old Lennox HS18. That is a compressor blanket. HS18. Let's see. It is a Bryant. It's a heat pump. It's a heat pump with the BDP. Kind of compressor. If I can see anything. Trying to show the inside, but it's, there you go. Here you have a York Stellar unit. The data sheet is faded, unfortunately. Has a new condenser motor. Is it a heat pump? It is a heat pump. See the reversing valve down in there. And it has a Copeland recip. Original. Here we have a couple old Tempstar heat pumps and a YCC and a Grand Air. 1988. There's an unoriginal Copeland recip. There's the logo. There's another one. Very early 1988. There's a YCC back there. And this one has, let's see the reversing back on there. What kind of compressor does this one have? So it looks like a Copeland. Got an old Copeland.